right. I like. Okay. Most of the time, I do this in my shed, feeling like I don't have much left. I don't even think I do it right, but I know that if I pursue the end of the night, we'll come along a little bit sooner. Maybe I won't ever reach the gold. Montezuma is far out of reach, and I know that I blew up a little too fast in my head. A little ego death, nothing I won't feel if I'm selfless. So I try to bring on this with the checklist I bring with me every morning. No damn groceries, nobody's holding me, I'm holding peace. Signs up and I got the man right behind me, and I feel like he can do anything. And we are so damn persistent. We don't even feel like the system is controlling the way that we are controlling visions. No, it's not counterintuition. We don't even know if we are doing right addition. Does it add up? What's the sum of everything we've been doing for the summer and winter? No beginners will ever touch this. We are moving, shoulders we brushing. No, I don't have no swag. Obviously, I don't have another Gucci Prada bag. I don't do anything that makes me really sad, except for when I sit alone and rap. And maybe we can transition. Everybody wants to get a piece of this. Listen, this is music. You can use it if you want, but don't abuse it or you lose it every time. Wow. Give me another one of those riffs. Light another one of those flips. What you're feeling, it won't be done in a jiff. So just take it as a gift, this rap. Get it for Christmas. Get it for Christmas.
Yeah. Let me.
All right, cool. Cool, man. So now we get back to the music.
Yeah.
Well, you know.
Let me give you one of these first.
You need this. You need this. You deserve it.
That's how that made me feel. Just so you know.